Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. This is a daily Forex forecast for 20th and 21st February 2023. Now, before proceeding further, I want to update all of the audience and the followers that there are usually three types of content being uploaded on this channel. Number one is the educational, second one is the weekly forecasts, and the third is the daily forecast. So, in the educational videos, I just shared the tools, techniques, mostly on the offline charts and very rarely on the live charts. In the weekly forecast videos, you must have seen them, and if you are a weekly trader, then obviously you don't need these daily setups. And this particular video, which is a daily forex forecast video, in this video I will be sharing the best forex trading setups which can work during the week. Maybe two trades we get, maybe we get three trades. I have to find the setups and deliver it to you on my channel so that you can trade it on the demo account. So obviously I don't recommend anyone to trade the real account. Everyone is responsible for their own losses. Even if someone want to trade these setups, everyone is responsible themselves. So now let's move on to the charts. I took already most of your time. And first of all, let's see Aussie dollar, US dollar, and let's find a very nice trading opportunity on this one. I have discussed it in the weekly forex forecast videos as well. Plus last week I have discussed Aussie dollar, US dollar in the daily forex forecast videos, episodes and sessions, I should say. So I think Aussie dollar, we should consider it, and let me hide it first. Okay, so we should consider it for chart reading, I should say, structure reading, or finding setups for ourselves. Let me make this moving average period 50, right? So first thing first, this video may also be very much beneficial for all of those traders who want to know how I analyze a currency pair or a chart from scratch, right? So if you are watching this video on a later date, it will help you because this is a forecast and this is an educational video as well. First of all, on the Aussie dollar weekly dollar, what I'm looking at is this curvy kind of shape, or I should say, uh, it is sort of a flag as well, a bearish flag on a higher time frame, a very higher time frame. So, uh, okay, that is fine. And on the weekly, now it suggests that it's going down to 0.6545. Now remember guys, I may not be spending more times on each currency pairs, because in the daily forex forecast videos what I normally do is that I together in one video I analyze different pairs and I find setups. So let's see. Aussie dollar on the weekly pointing down towards 65.45, and now on the daily, let's have a look at it very quickly. Let's delete this Fibonacci for now. Let's find out the traditional support zone right here, going very nicely. And let's find out about this impulsive wave, 61.8% retracement, rejection. So on the daily, it is clearly suggesting an up move towards 0.7030. If I look at the weekly chart, let's see. Well, at the moment, this is a trade setup. Now it may take 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, maybe take a week. So anyone willing to trade it, this is one way of trading it. But then this type of trade will have around 226 pips of stop loss and take profit of around how much? Take profit of around 539 pips. So this is if I rank this type of trade, I think it's better to practice, because you see just around 244 pips of stop loss and 535 pips of take profit. So a very nice and valid trade opportunity. You can leave with 217 pips as well with stop move to break even. So that can be another opportunity or way of trading the Aussie dollar US dollar. Remember everyone, in Forex, what usually when you look at these charts, when it gives you these support and resistance levels, what it gives you, it creates a sort of story for you. So when by the time when you understand that same story, the market has already moved so much. Are you getting my point? So in that situation, what usually happens is that the trader misses a trade, but the big trader, the market maker, he already knows his game, so he takes it back up if it is a bullish trend. Something similar is going to happen right here. Most people will say that this is pumping. Okay, so yes, might be. It can be, because I cannot predict it. I have like not enough resources to do that. So Aussie dollar, US dollar, one is this trade setup, and later I will refer to this setup. Remember, so you have to understand this setup. You now one more thing, why so special? Because later you will be asking me about that. Why there is so much special about this zone, right? And even if you don't ask me, you should ask yourself why this level is so much important that the market bounces off from here. At least there should be something cooking right here. I already have predicted this when market was right here, if you remember. I'm referring to that setup once again. From here, if you see, 208 pips it dropped. So now switch to the H4, and this daily time frame setup seems a bit long term. It can be weekly as well. So if you are a weekly trader, you got another bonus trade on Aussie dollar, US dollar with a very less stop loss and a very big take profit, but obviously with patience. Rome was not built in one day. So now the second setup on the H4, let's see. Well, there might be some good setups as well, but then you have to give me some time as well, because I will need to analyze it. Analyze it, because if we see these, let me launch my light short panel right here. Okay, so if we see this place, what's so special about it? Like whenever, remember my friends and my traders, whenever something like this happens, my excuse me, I'm completely like dehydrated. My usually these videos go unedited to YouTube, so okay. So what is so special about this level? Now let me sit a little bit comfortable and let me show you actually that how I find day trading setups and what are the tools and techniques. What is so special about this level? See an ABCD pattern a nice 61. Market was supposed to rally up. It dropped till here. This is the special thing. Let me do it once more so that you clearly get what message I want to convey. I have asked you what is so special about this zone. You must have been focused on this impulsive wave, then this one, a top, a break till here, a reversal till here. This is now for sure that why this happened is because market created a lower low. See, previous Fibonacci is broken here. Market was clearly on this setup and it completed it. Even it completed this pattern as well. If you see this one, both of the pattern it has completed. But again, my question remained the same. What is so special about it? Obviously, on the H4, there is nothing. On the H1, let's see. Price action. Here we go. Maybe some news right here. Approximately a bounce from Fibonacci right here and an ABCD pattern completion. So see how simple it is. Exactly completed 8-point D and the market rallied up. Now come back to the original story because you have to obviously catch this trade most probably on the H1, right? And I will be showing you that as well right now. Just give me a moment. Now market seems creating a top. Let me delete these things first. This one too. So market right here is now creating a top on the daily. Let's have a look at the overall situation. If I tell you honestly, I will not be able to say anything for sure unless this candle closes. Not for that big trade setup, okay? For this particular trade setup, this one, because here most of the traders will be taking sell trades. Now I am finding out what is so special about this. It's not giving me any clue. Okay, no, previous weekly support is right here. So the main thing is that ABCD pattern. Now here, obviously one trade opportunity, and if the market drops maybe today to 0.6850, you can take a buy trade, or there is one other. If today the candle closes green, if today the candle closes the way it is right now, I have shown you just now. If it closes like that, what will happen is you have to wait for the market to come back, take a retest for 61.8 and continue back up. Now, if it closes green the way it is right now, then tomorrow on the break of this level on the H4, then the second candle and maybe the third or fourth candle, if the market is slow, a retest right here and a bullish trade from right here. And that is the actual plan. So let's see. There are intraday plans as well. Overall, this week is so much important. And yes, on the daily, if it tells me a buy trade on the H4, if it gives me a sell trade, I'm not going to take it because it's a counter trend trade for me. And in a counter trend trade, what happens is we make very, very less. Recently, you must have seen on the gold, if you remember, when I took a buy trade from right here, let me show you. From where did I took that buy trade? I took a buy trade right here. I was on a sell right here, but I was on a buy right here, made good profit. Then some more trades right here, some closed and some hit profit. So all of that profit is gone. So in counter trend trades that can happen, but obviously I'm super happy that the trade ended very, very safely and I made around 1300 something or 1234 pips something. So let's see, this will be a good bullish zone. And if you are focusing on a sell trade as a day trader, then I think, well, this is very, very confusing. Well, I don't recommend any sell trade right now. Only a buy right here, only a buy on the close above this. So this is Aussie dollar, US dollar. Move to the dollar yen and let's have a look at the higher time frame. Very nice sell opportunity right here. Very low volume, so I'm not going to discuss that. Which one is this? USD TOI? No. Ethereum US dollar, if we see. Crypto after a very long time. Let's see this one. 1700 went up. Yeah, it has to go up. It has to take a retest from 1970. Yes, it has to. Nice selling opportunities from somewhere near 2700. It will be approaching till maybe the mid of this year 2023. US 30. Very nice structured right here. Let's see my previous analysis, what I predicted and then what happened. Okay, I have predicted it. It went up for this much pips and completed this obviously. An SL hit right, an entry right here on the open of this one that hit. And on some of my accounts currently I'm stuck on DXY. It's okay. I've made enough profits. I will cover it from there. And okay, I want a suggestion from you, all of you who are watching till now so far. Shall I discuss different pairs in one video in the daily forex forecast video, or shall I uh, like create or upload 4 videos per day in which I discuss 2 pairs in one video? I highly appreciate if you give me your feedback because I need this information. I'm kind of like taking a decision, but I cannot. I want to do 4 frequent uploads on different pairs. What I personally feel is that when I together discuss too many pairs, what happens is that it completely makes a mess between the traders. And one thing I want to remind you is this particular video is not for those traders who have seen my weekly videos, okay? Keep them separate. Both have different technique, right? So this is about the Aussie dollar, US dollar, and it has got most of the time today, the time spent, and I didn't even knew. I just have discussed Aussie dollar, US dollar. I think there was a lot today to discuss about Aussie US dollars. So let's see tomorrow. I have discussed a lot of things right here. I am sure you will understand them, you will learn them. I have a supported resistance successful video. Make sure to watch that, understand it. There is a lot of free educational material. There is pro and most people will charge you money for that. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Make sure to leave your like in the on click on the thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section down below, click the subscribe button, follow me regularly, and try to show some love, some respect, and some love with the channel. Consider it as your own financial updates channel. Thanks so much once again for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.